Crypto market pumping. Last ZekeEnd ever. NBA chatter and protect your neck. Brick by brick. That's what we're talking about today, man. That's what we on today. That's what we on today. JDam, what's up, man?
Man, chilling,
What's
man.
good with you?
Chilling. I wish I need to be better at taking profits. I ain't gonna lie. Bro, every single time it goes and hits a certain number, I'll show T like, psst, you see this, like, and then it goes back down. She's like, what you ask? Man, don't fucking worry about it, man. Like,
yeah, exactly. Getting all mad.
Yeah, be hella mad. Listen, it's
mad.
Down that much? You're down? It's like, nah, I'm not down. I don't even want to explain it. I just gotta start taking profits. And when it comes back down, I'll rebuy.
Yeah.
It's like I got two people. I got someone on each shoulder. Like one of them is telling me like take profits. The other one is like, bro, this is about a 10x.
Yeah, exactly. That's the hardest part, bro. That's why I tell people, like, you're gonna get wrecked. Like, you're gonna, like, because I'm used to, like, I was actually begging for the market to pull back. Like, because I feel like for Tau, for example, I wanted an entry, but I didn't want that entry at 450 or 400 or whatever. It was at 350 or something like that. No, it's 450. And now it's like 370 something, 360 something. I'm like, yeah, let me go ahead and get my entry at 315. You know what I'm saying? Because I was buying at 250. So buying at 450 to me is like hella expensive, but I'm just stacking that up. And I still dollar cost average, but it don't hit the same when it you know what I mean? So yeah, I got some. We'll look at some charts in that too. Yeah, man, you was out last week. I missed you on the convo with JP because he's trading. So he's day trading. So like, that would have been good. Like, yeah, he's more in stocks.
That's what.
Yeah, he's in on that, and so he does that for, and so that was a good combo. So if y'all didn't check out the JP episode, check that out. That one was really super dope. All that. So yeah, man, we let's go ahead and get into it. We don't got much time here, but we got time. So crypto market, what? So you you're down on your bags a little bit today?
It's not even down. A little pullback. It's down, but it's just a normal pullback, which I mean everyone knows it's coming. It's just the fact that I know it's coming and don't sell and rebuy is my problem. Like it's like
facts,
and I explain it to everyone though, like, oh, it's gonna hit this, it's gonna come back to this, and I'm already ready for it. It's just the fact that why am I not selling and rebuying? It's just dumb of me. So
yeah, I feel the same, man. Like I at this point I'm just holding, but yeah, when you look at like here's us in 5, the total market cap 520, and then we did a little dip. So this is where that dip, or no, that was in earlier this year. So yeah, but when you look at it this way though, like that correction or that dip in terms of the whole total market cap of the whole market, really, this is when you zoom out, this is what happened. You know what I mean? Like in terms of the whole market cap. So really we're just consolidating right now. Now I would say like if the market cap for the total market goes down to like 3.5 and under, like then it's like, yeah, we're probably dipping hard because we're correcting pretty hard, which I think is coming, pause. But like, so Bitcoin, for example, and I got some, ooh, damn, look at that. Green candles. Like in the last, but that's the all time. So on the 7-day, here we are, we're consolidating sideways. But what you're talking about, what we just saw was actually, we'll go back to the 7-day, is this. Boom, boom, boom. Like we fell and then came back up and now we're consolidating. So look, we're bleeding again. Look, someone just dumped. So, damn, to 116 night, that just happened. That's crazy. Look at that. Red candles. We going down, bro. Live. We going down. If we go down and we hit this, we're going to probably hit this 115 level, like we were saying. I think we're hitting that. Maybe 110. If we hit 110, like I'm okay. Let me zoom out a little bit. Let's see. Let's do it this way. 1 month. Yeah. So this level right here is what I'm looking at. When I said 110, this is what I mean. Like, cause that's the last time we were consolidating, and then we went up a level and then we came back and then like around here, right here, this was earlier this month. That was just earlier this month.
No, exactly.
And then we pumped all the way up to, 120, consolidated, which is good. We want to consolidate right here for Bitcoin. And the reason why is because if I'm looking back at the fear and greed, like the fear and greed was getting too hot for me. Pause. And I was like, yeah, I don't know if I want it to go extreme greed just yet. Last time it hit extreme greed was last November, and that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for November.
Oh yeah.
So
Yeah.
we got to greed, but we didn't get to, because when we're in extreme greed, bro, that's what I'm looking for. Once we get to overheated here, I'm dollar cost averaging out. I'm out of here. Like, and we're gonna tell you that on brick by brick. So like, we follow this for a reason. So like, if you are following this podcast and you in this, I'm just letting you know, you probably won't sell because of what JDam just said.
Yeah.
But I don't know, man. We didn't quite get up there. So we're still good. We're still Gucci. This is where you should be buying, but this is the worst time. I mean, this is where tariffs were hitting. We were at war. Like, people were like, yeah, I ain't buying nothing. And I was like, actually, it's time to buy, man. We were talking about that. We were screaming it actually here. Go back and watch the episodes. So yeah, man. Oh, this one's interesting too. Check this out. So the Bitcoin metrics. So the performance of Bitcoin, I like looking at this one too. Look at 2021. So I'm looking at August. Like, this is Bitcoin in August. Historically, that's the returns. It's like, well, what do you think is going to happen? I think I know what's going to happen. Well, this was the last bull run though. 2021. Yeah. It actually performed well. Bull run before that, 2017, it performed well. 2017 was crazy. 2021, we actually had red months, the months that we just had, and we just had green months. We've had 4 green months in a row. I don't see us having 5 green months in a row, man.
Yeah.
I just don't.
Facts. Even
October, November though.
How you think it's gonna play out with think Coinbase, I could be wrong. I saw something about Coinbase announced that they're partnering with what, Chase? Something like that?
Ooh, yes.
That could be huge.
It's going to be very huge.
Yeah.
I'll bring that up as we're looking at this, but this is Ethereum's returns. Now, Ethereum, I know a lot of people are talking shit about Ethereum, but over the quarterly, it's performed really well.
Yeah.
And then month by month, the reason why it did quarterly, look at those 2 months of 41%, 50%. I think we could possibly see a good month for Ethereum if it doesn't move if it might move sideways September, but look at October and November, man. That's what I'm waiting for. I think October, November, sometimes December. But if you look at the last bull run, this is Ethereum, man. There's only like, it performed well in August, didn't perform well in September. September is historically bad for the crypto market. So if you think this is going to be bad, wait till September.
Facts.
But I think October and November though, buckle up.
Not for real.
Up. Let's look at this in another one, last one. XRP sitting at $3 right now. XRP, look at XRP's year quarterly has been really good. XRP historically bad in August. So these next 2 months, August and September, you might as well just go away, man. Don't even look at your portfolio, bro. Dollar cost average, don't even look at it, man. Chill out. But yeah, you were talking about Coinbase and Morgan Stanley.
Chase. I think they're partnering with Chase.
Oh, Chase.
I might be wrong. I saw something about a partnership, and I believe it said that partnering with Chase.
JP Morgan Chase. Yeah, JP Morgan. Yeah, so here's why people need to pay attention to this. Damn, this is crazy, bro. Like, I saw this and I was like, wow, this is crazy. Everyone needs to pay attention to this, because you're going to be able to, I have a Chase credit card, actually. You're going to be able to take your Chase. You can, like, I'll be able to take my credit card and be able to fund. I know you can already kind of do that on some platforms, but this is like a direct Coinbase wallet, like direct to your Coinbase wallet. Integrated. Like, new bank, integrated to your bank, bro. Like, Coinbase is basically the bank.
Oh, man.
Beginning in 2026, you'll be able to redeem Chase Ultimate Rewards for USDC. So that means everything's going to be on chain.
Yeah.
We're moving from on chain to, so here's why also Swift for banking. How old? So the Swift network, why this is a big deal, what we're going through right now with this blockchain shit, It's because the Swift network, it was founded in 1973, is set up for international finance and commerce. Bro, this is like 60 years old. We're using 60-year-old technology to move funds.
Yeah, facts.
Like,
Facts.
what are we talking about right now? You know,
Oh yeah.
like, what are we talking about? So that's what I'm saying. Like, that's why you're seeing like shit like this happen, because they're like, oh, this is faster. No shit. And it's
Oh
cheaper.
yeah.
So everything's gonna be on chain. Man, we in some weird times, bro. This is the one I was looking at before too. SEC's Atkins launches Project Crypto. So this is the actual SEC chair this week, Wednesday, to bring U.S. markets on chain. Pay attention. You know what I mean? Like Paul Atkins,
No, yeah,
like
exactly.
Project Crypto, he calls it. They unveiled a 160-page report on Wednesday. Like, this is the most pro crypto posture we've ever seen from the SEC,
No, yeah.
bro.
I
I'm
I
just telling
will say
people
that
like,
I see some people, and some people have different takes on this. I see some people that say like this is going to be the same way we're going to have the biggest pump, we're going to have the biggest dip. And then you
mhm,
have some people that believe that because of all this new stuff and new adoption, that now there's not going to be as much as a dip and it's going to be slowly rising. But I mean, from my experience, the last dip, there was so much news of partnerships before it happened. Like, I don't even
mhm,
know if the news really matters. Like, yes, I mean, it's going to end up bringing more in. So, like, the next bull run is bigger, but I don't think that matters. I think that there's still going to be those dips and pumps. There's still going to be bear markets,
mhm.
still have the same cycles, but they're just going to be bigger, bigger
Yeah,
pumps, bigger dips. Yeah.
I agree. I think now that we have institutions in here and like billions of dollars being in of inflows for ETFs and altcoins, and I mean,
Yep.
I don't like, I'm not chasing like small cap stuff
Yeah.
much anymore outside of Mr. Miggles because it's a Coinbase like led thing. And as we just talked about, the liquidity
Yeah.
coming to Coinbase, why would I not want to hold the Coinbase mascot? So that's where
Exactly.
I'm
Yeah.
at.
Yeah.
It's a
Facts.
speculative play, but
Yeah.
it could pay off like big time.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, you're right. I do think that just moving forward, we're gonna be this is just the future, man. Like
Yeah.
and our financial, so that's why I'm like this podcast, in my opinion, like we're gonna talk about our bullshit real quick in just a minute, but um I just want people to understand that this is all happening right in front of us, but we're spending a lot of time on other things we can't control, which is
Yeah.
this person did this person's over here doing this person did, and I'm like, well, how much of that can you control for you? And the
Yeah.
answer is probably none of it. Well, then, like, I'm okay with the entertainment and being entertained by that stuff. I am
Mhm.
too. But like, I also want to make sure that our eyes are on the prize. We got racist president. We got like all this stuff happening. It's like, bro, we got to be locked the fuck in right now, man.
Facts.
Like
Facts.
when this dude is in office, we got to be locked the fuck in, because if not, they're
Real.
gonna just like take shit right underneath our feet.
No
Like,
facts.
if I'm not saying you got to learn or know everything, I'm just saying just be aware. You know what I'm
Oh
saying?
yeah.
That's it.
Facts.
Uh, yeah, man. Let me, I want to show you this real quick. I'm gonna cut down my Damn, this thing said 150K Bitcoin price is crazy. Where do you think Bitcoin's going this year, man?
This year
Not
is
financial advice, of course.
not financial advice, but it's still hitting 150. Um, for sure. I think it might go higher. Um,
Dang. Okay. He a bull.
I- yeah. I
He
think
a
it could
bull.
push.
Pause.
I'm not gonna call it 200, but I'm gonna call 160. I think that right
Ooh.
now it's just chilling, and then it's gonna push to have a big push to maybe 140. Then after that, it's gonna have a little drawback, and then it's gonna push to 160, and then have a big fallback. Maybe it's gonna crash back to 100. It's gonna crash to
Yeah,
100. So that's my call. I'm calling 160
I agree
this
with that.
year. Yeah. And
I
then
agree with
people
the
are gonna
crash
be wishing
to
they bought. And then if it crashes back to 160, 100, people are gonna be hoping, dreaming it comes back down to 30, which that's not gonna happen. But
yeah,
I mean, people are more comfortable buying that low price once it's actually showed to hit all-time high. Like
yeah,
people 80,000 is too high, and then the shit hits 100 and comes back to 75, and it's like, oh, I need to buy now. So
Yep.
yeah,
I think people feel like too that they missed the boat. And I'm like, actually, you're
yeah.
early.
I think that
Y-
people feel like they missed the boat because they want to 10x in a year and stuff. Like
Right,
I
right.
think when people see certain cryptos and see that they're up a certain amount, they're like, damn, I missed out. And it's like, no, not at all. Like, look at the growth, look at the projects you're looking at, look at where these are going to be in 2030, 2040, if that's your long-term play. But I think a lot of people that get into crypto that aren't looking at Bitcoin in a long-term play, they're looking at like a quick Doge. What can I buy that's
Right.
a penny that turns into a dollar? And it's just like, that's unrealistic, and it's not something that's going to last. I mean, it's something where you could definitely do a quick flip. But if you're looking at big projects, you're not buying one ETH and turning that into $100,000 in 1 month.
Right.
It's just, and yes, I don't know.
No, you're right. I look at it like this. Like you can hold your US dollar in your savings account and I was looking at my account the other day and I was like 0.01% interest is
Bro,
what they're
it's
giving me on that
crazy.
money.
It's
Like
crazy.
0.1%. And I'm like, why would I do that? So why not just hold Bitcoin? And yes, it might be a little volatile, but you're going to be up 2 to 4x in 5 years
Yeah,
on that
what?
money
And
if you're not going
e
to use it.
even if you use it on platforms, it's like, okay, you could put money in your savings account and watch that shit just not do anything, or you can go and stake ETH or stake a crypto you like, and like I think ETH and ADA, man, you get some good returns. So
Yeah.
it's,
And that's
I mean,
offered now in ETFs now. So that just
yeah, see,
passed.
yeah, see,
So you
so
can
it's,
now you can offer that in your traditional finance account if you have ETH or Bitcoin or Solana or whatever.
yeah,
You
see,
can now stake your Solana. You can stake your ETH. You can stake. I believe. I don't. I could go look it up, but we got to move on. But like, you can stake in your ETF now. Like that's
that's
such a
crazy.
game changer. Now, what I would look out for, and this is what banks are going to do when they're able to, which they can. They can actually hold crypto now. That's passed.
Mhm.
Um, is what I'm leery of is the loan products that
Yeah,
are based, excuse me, on Bitcoin. So what they're going to do is if you hold Bitcoin, they're going to say, hey, take a loan against your Bitcoin. It's like a HELOC or anything like that, which is
yeah,
cool. But like, if it dumps,
yep,
like
yeah,
now you're out because you borrowed at this amount. And now if it dumps, it goes to this amount. You owe that too. Like,
exactly,
you know what I'm saying?
exactly,
So like that's
yep.
where I'm like, yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm staying away
And
from that
yep,
because if it goes down, you're
and that's
fucked.
what I see with even some of the NBA guys that were getting, or NFL guys that were trying to get paid in Bitcoin, 4 or 5 years ago, when it was
Hmm.
pumping. Like they were getting paid at the top. Then for the last 4 years, it's been a shit show, and they was quiet like fuck, and now it's back up, and they're like, yeah, I made the right move. Nah, but if you
Yeah.
needed money in them 4 years,
Yeah.
yeah, you was stressing calling somebody. So it's
Yeah.
like, I think now if you do that with a normal person, like just getting a loan, in those four
Oh,
years, they're gonna be stressing.
I'm I'm
Like,
I'm not big on that. Like that just passed too. There's a story about that on their in somewhere. They're allowing people to use Bitcoin on their mortgages, and I was like,
yeah, it's gonna be tough.
mm, I
It's gonna be
usually
tough
like to use it as a store of value versus as a hedge against inflation for my dollar that I'm not
for sure.
using.
Yeah,
That's where I think that has the best use
yeah,
case. And if you want to pay someone like exchanging a value, so like if you wanted to pay me in Bitcoin, I would gladly accept payment in
for
Bitcoin
sure. Yeah,
and
yeah,
on
for sure.
anything. Like,
Yep.
please. And then I'll just go put it away because I didn't, depending on if I needed the money or not.
No,
So
exactly.
like that's where I think people are getting it. They want to make the 10x or the 100x and they hear these stories and I'm like, yes, you can get that, but there's risk involved in that. If you just
Facts.
want to buy and hold with dollars that you can afford to lose, we'll have some rules on here. I'm going to for season 2, we'll switch this up. We'll have some rules that just stick right there. And shout out to Digital Asset News. I got that idea from them. This is not new to me. This is just channels I watch every day. And the rules like take profits, like there's just rules to this. And if you can just stick by those, you'll be fine. But like easier said than done.
Yeah, no, we
I wanted to
in
go ahead.
2020, we had a little sign up that said that we accept Bitcoin and ETH up at Damn Performance.
Mm-hmm.
We
Mm-hmm.
had a couple people paying ETH that said, "What's
Oh,
the
really?
account?" straight to the personal. Yeah, here's the Addy.
That's comedy. Hey, let me show you this. Hey, do you got dogs?
No.
You don't got a dog. Hey, should let's see. I'm gonna look at this. Can you hear that? Look at this, dude.
Hell no.
Should this dog be in the stores?
No.
I was like,
Bro,
man,
if they
if
got
you don't get
the
that dog
Hannibal
out
mask
the
on, he
store,
shouldn't be anywhere, bro.
Good boy. Good
look
boy.
at him. Look,
Good
He
boy.
said it good.
he
What?
ready to kill
Okay.
somebody.
It's okay.
Look,
No.
Around his hand
No.
25 times. That's how you know.
look.
No. Hey.
Like,
No.
why are you staying there? Why are you keeping the dog in there?
Good boy. Good
Yes,
boy.
man.
Like,
No way.
I seen that and I was like, why?
Why is he in the
Like,
store? Bro,
bro,
if I
you
seen
can't.
that beast in the store, it's over.
he
It's bad. I'm Karen. I'm to the front desk.
said, "I'm to the front desk."
I was like, you guys got a fucking bear in the back. Do something about it.
That's funny. Yeah, man. I was seeing that. I was like, man, what? Like, why don't you? You need to start making your way out the exit if your dog is crashing out in the
Yeah,
store,
yeah.
bro. Like, especially that.
If he
Like,
got the Hannibal mask on, he's not trained. That's all I'm saying. If he got that on, you knew he was gonna crash out. You know what I'm saying? You knew he was crashing out.
oh, hey, one thing I didn't. Hey, man, and I didn't even. I watched the fight. I don't know who won because I had something else happen. Oh,
Wait,
we
which
went to a
one?
fireworks show that night because it ended up going longer than I thought. And
Oh, Pacquiao.
Pacquiao,
Oh, smooth.
he had
Yeah,
a good fight.
he had a good fight. Yeah, it was smooth. Him and Barrios, it was like a damn near even fight. Like
Who won?
it was a draw.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, Barrios didn't win, which I mean I don't. Yeah, that's a bad look for Barrios.
It is a bad look.
Obviously
I
you're
was like,
fighting Pacquiao, but it's a in terms of you having a belt and I don't know. It's a bad look
it
because you're
wasn't a good
supposed to
look.
knock him out. Yeah,
No, because and even if he didn't knock him out, he didn't outbox him. Like,
not
and
at
I
all.
feel like Pac-Man had moments, but like he never put together flurries. He never put together. It was 1-2, and he was out. And I was like, bro, you have to counter that, or
Yeah,
you have to press the issue in this fight because he's
you got to use
showing you.
you got to use your size and length and your
Pause.
age.
Yeah.
Yeah, but your age, like. He got a, I don't know. That's a bad. The fact that I went to a draw, it was like, and they were like, okay, we need to see a Pacquiao and Mayweather fight again. Since it's like, man, shut up.
Nah, we don't need that, bro.
We
We
don't
don't
need
need
that.
that.
Did
We
him
don't need
bad.
that. Nah. Yeah, Pac-Man, man. Shout out to him because bro, to get in the ring that old and show up like that. I have nothing but love for
Yeah, man.
Pac-Man, man.
It's crazy, man. For him to, and he's not even only boxing no more. He's full blown. What is he? A damn near
That
president out
man's like
there.
the president.
Yeah, he's
Yeah,
president, putting
accountant.
hands on people.
He's
Yeah,
crazy.
he's wild.
Couple more quick stories. Let's see. We got ZekeEnd coming up this weekend. Like, you going to ZekeEnd?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to make it on Saturday. I got real estate to do stuff to do on
Oh yeah, that's
Sunday.
right.
But I'm trying to leave some of Saturday open because I want to go catch it. I want to see what guests are coming. I need some dogs to pull up.
We trying,
I
man. We
need
trying.
I need that Beasley. I need Mike Beasley with a Rucker Park mush to someone.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Has he
Hopefully
announced any players yet?
he hasn't announced nobody. So that's why I'm like, I think they're still working on it on a few. And, like hopefully, yeah, I don't know who's coming. I have no pause. I don't know who's coming. And I don't know. I do know that, let's see. Yeah, 9 o'clock is the first games. I know that. 10 o'clock. I know Plunkwork got a squad. Shout out to Plunk. I know Living Legends got a squad. Shout out to them. I know obviously Dom's gonna have a team. I think there's gonna be a couple teams around IT. Like Dom got a team, and I think IT got a team.
Yep.
Oh, the Sick Warriors is there. They
Who's
were in a
that?
TBT recently.
Okay.
So yeah, it's gonna be dope.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, shout out to ZekeEnd, man. It's gonna be a dope. It's gonna be a dope. It's gonna be a fun weekend, man. It's the last one, so
Facts.
we're all just like, try. It's gonna be like a community event, man. Like it's gonna be super
Yeah,
dope.
for
So I'm
real.
really looking
For
forward
real.
to it. I'm gonna be shooting. I'm gonna be up in there. If you come and pull up, like I'm gonna be up in there. Hopefully, got the brick by brick joint on. That's how you'll know
Yeah.
where I'm at.
Yeah.
And then go from there, man. So yeah. Outside of that, we just want to get on here and get a quick one in, man. Pause. No Diddy,
Exactly.
but
Exactly.
just just get a quick one in, get back on the grind.
Yep.
If y'all have any questions or anything like that, man, hit us up or come to ZekeEnd this weekend,
Yep.
Tacoma,
Yep.
Tacoma Community College. Hit us up. Brick by brick will be up in there. Outside of that, man, put me on. What you got?
What? Come on.
Oh, okay. The
Come on.
lines. Hey, I forgot. I need to re up,
Yeah.
man. I need to re
Yeah.
up, bro.
Yeah, they just got my stuff and I'm still finishing a couple more things. I mean the product's already done. I got some products with me. I'm waiting on a good amount to be shipped to Amazon facilities. I'm waiting on verification from them. I had to do a bunch of videos and stuff with them yesterday, and then I had to do another trademark yesterday.
Okay, you doing it?
But
Let's get
yeah,
it.
it's coming together, man. Probably, hopefully another few weeks. It's gonna be August, but I don't got a date yet. I'm gonna start doing some content or something for it soon. So
Yeah, that's what's up,
put,
man.
put
Yeah,
putting
well,
everyone on.
we looking forward to the drop, man.
Oh yeah,
Put me on. What do I got? Shoot, ZekeEnd, man. I'm
yeah,
putting you on. Like, go to ZekeEnd.
yep,
If you are in or around Tacoma, if you can drive, if whatever, like, go hit up ZekeEnd. It's gonna be live, man. There's gonna be
yeah,
nothing but hoop. If you're a hoop head, like, this is the last one,
yeah.
so you need to pull up and just show up
No
and
facts.
watch, man, because it's gonna be good ass hoop up in there, man.
Exactly.
Good hoop. So that's mine for this week. With that, man, we'll catch y'all on the flip, man. Next week we'll catch y'all on the flip. We're gonna work on some
Yeah,
more guests and then go from there, man. So with
yeah.
that, brick
No,
by
man.
brick, we out. Yes, sir.
Brick by brick.